Have you ever wondered if there's a link between the unobservable quantum world and the spiritual realm? Now that's a question that's been bouncing around for quite some time. It's like trying to find a common ground between two distant galaxies: the spiritual world, a realm of divine connection and inner peace, and the quantum world, a realm of particles and probabilities that defy the laws of classical physics. These two at first glance appear as different as chalk and cheese. One is steeped in ancient wisdom and personal enlightenment, the other a modern marvel of scientific discovery. It's like trying to connect the dots where there don't seem to be any dots to connect. Yet many of us instinctively feel that there must be a link, a bridge that binds these disparate fields together. Well, today we unravel the mystery of this connection. Buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of spirituality and quantum consciousness. First, we need to understand what spirituality is. Spirituality, in its broadest sense, is a term that encapsulates the vast and complex landscape of our inner lives. It's a realm where our deepest emotions, values, and insights dwell, shaping our perspectives and guiding our actions. Spirituality doesn't necessarily require a religious framework. It's rather an exploration of our individuality and our place within the grand tapestry of existence. It's about delving into the mystery of self, asking profound questions like, who am I? What is my purpose, and what is the nature of reality? This journey of introspection and self-discovery can be a transformative experience. It helps us foster a deeper understanding of ourselves, enabling us to cultivate empathy, compassion, and a sense of unity with others. It's like peeling the layers of an onion, each layer revealing a deeper truth about ourselves and our relation to the world around us. Spirituality is also about acknowledging our interconnectedness. It helps us understand that we're not isolated entities, but rather integral components of a vast, intricate network. It's recognizing that our actions ripple outwards, influencing others and the world at large. In this context, spirituality is not an escape from the world but a deeper engagement with it. Moreover, spirituality has a significant role in our personal development. It inspires us to seek growth, not just in terms of material accomplishments, but also in the realm of our inner selves. It encourages us to strive for self-awareness, wisdom, and inner peace, fostering a sense of fulfillment that transcends mere physical realities. Finally, spirituality shapes our understanding of the world. It offers a lens through which we perceive and interpret reality. It's a compass that guides us in our quest for truth, helping us navigate the complexities of life with a heightened sense of awareness and insight. Spirituality, in essence, is a journey towards self-discovery and understanding the interconnectedness of the universe. It's a voyage towards the core of our being, a quest to uncover the profound wisdom that lies within us all. And in this journey, we learn to see ourselves not as separate entities, but as integral parts of a grand cosmic dance. Next, we dive into the realm of quantum consciousness. Quantum consciousness, a term that might sound complex, yet it's a captivating concept that attempts to answer some of the deepest mysteries of our existence. But what is it really? Let's break it down. Quantum consciousness is a theory that merges two seemingly unrelated fields: quantum physics, a branch of science that deals with the smallest particles in the universe, and consciousness, the awareness or perception of something by a living being. The principles of quantum consciousness are rooted in the idea that consciousness isn't solely a product of our brains. Instead, it suggests that consciousness extends beyond our neural networks and into the quantum level of atoms and particles. It's a bold and radical concept, isn't it? This theory originated from the minds of pioneering thinkers who dared to look beyond the traditional confines of science. They dared to ask, what if the key to understanding consciousness lies in the quantum world? The quantum world is a realm of infinite possibilities. Here, particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. They can also influence each other instantaneously, no matter the distance, through a process called quantum entanglement. These are mind-boggling phenomena that defy the laws of classical physics. Quantum consciousness proposes that these quantum phenomena play a crucial role in the formation of consciousness. It suggests that our minds are not just biological machines but intricate webs of quantum processes. So, how does quantum consciousness explain the mysteries of consciousness? Well, it offers a new perspective, a new lens through which to view the enigma of awareness. It posits that consciousness arises from quantum processes within the brain, and that these processes are connected to the wider universe on a fundamental level. In essence, quantum consciousness is not just about understanding the mind, it's about exploring our connection to the universe, to the very fabric of reality itself. Quantum consciousness is a theory that seeks to explain the nature of consciousness through the lens of quantum physics. Now, let's explore how these two seemingly different concepts connect. If we were to step back and look at the broad strokes, we'd see that both spirituality and quantum consciousness revolve around similar foundational principles. One of these shared principles is the idea of interconnectedness. In the realm of spirituality, interconnectedness often refers to the belief that all beings and the universe itself are fundamentally connected on some profound level. Similarly, in quantum physics, the concept of entanglement suggests that particles, no matter how far apart, are inherently linked. Next, consider the role of the observer. Spirituality often emphasizes the importance of personal perspective and the power of intention. It suggests that our thoughts and intentions can shape our reality. This echoes the principle of quantum mechanics known as the observer effect, which posits that the mere act of observing a phenomenon can affect its outcome. It's as if both spiritualists and quantum physicists agree that we are not just passive observers in this universe but active participants influencing its unfolding. Then, there's the concept of a unified field of consciousness. Many spiritual traditions speak of a universal consciousness or a divine intelligence that permeates everything. This sounds strikingly similar to the quantum field theory, which proposes that there exists a fundamental field that gives rise to all particles and forces in the universe. Could it be that what spiritualists refer to as universal consciousness and what scientists describe as the quantum field are two sides of the same coin? This brings us to an intriguing proposition. Could quantum consciousness provide a scientific explanation for spiritual experiences? Some scientists and spiritualists seem to think so. They propose that the human brain might be a quantum system, capable of tapping into the quantum field. This could potentially explain mystical experiences often described in spiritual contexts, such as feelings of oneness with the universe or profound insights that seem to come from nowhere. However, it's important to note that these are complex and highly debated topics. While some see clear parallels between spirituality and quantum consciousness, others caution against oversimplifying or misinterpreting quantum physics to fit spiritual beliefs. What we can say for certain is that both fields challenge our conventional understanding of reality and invite us to consider possibilities beyond the material world. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, the lines between science and spirituality start to blur. This blurring is not a sign of confusion, but rather an indication of our growing understanding that the universe is far more intricate and interconnected than we once thought. It's a fascinating journey, one that continues to unfold, revealing more about our place in the cosmos and the nature of consciousness itself. So, what can we conclude from this exploration? Well, we've journeyed through the realms of spirituality and quantum consciousness, and we've discovered some fascinating correlations. Both domains, though vastly different in their approach, seek to understand the same fundamental truths about our existence and our connection to the universe. Spirituality, rooted in millennia-old wisdom, teaches us that everything is interconnected, that we are part of a larger whole. It suggests that our consciousness extends beyond our physical bodies, touching the very essence of the universe itself. On the other hand, quantum consciousness, a concept arising from the cutting-edge field of quantum physics, proposes that consciousness arises from quantum processes within the brain. It, too, suggests a deep interconnection between the observer and the observed, a concept strikingly similar to spiritual teachings. The parallels are uncanny, aren't they? Almost as if they're two sides of the same coin, each offering a unique perspective on the same fundamental truth. The implications of these similarities are profound, to say the least. They suggest that there might be a unified theory, a grand synthesis of spirituality and quantum physics, waiting to be discovered. This unified theory could provide a comprehensive framework to understand our existence and our connection to the universe. It could bridge the gap between the physical and the metaphysical, the tangible and the intangible, the science and the spiritual. It could revolutionize our understanding of consciousness and its role in the universe. Of course, we're still in the early stages of this exploration. The road to a unified theory is filled with challenges and uncertainties. But isn't that what makes it exciting? The unknown, the potential for discovery, the possibility of uncovering a deeper truth about our existence. In the end, both spirituality and quantum consciousness seek to answer the same question. What is the nature of our existence? And how are we connected to the universe around us?